Welcome to Storyteller, an app that helps people plan software. Storyteller's purpose is to streamline the process of breaking down a software product idea into workable units. Storyteller was originally an idea by MindRoad, a software company located in Linköping, Sweden. The vision was simple: bring post-it note style user storyboarding to the computer and let the computer find common issues with the product's user stories. MindRoad shared their vision with the Capstone students at North Dakota State University, and the Capstone team got to work on planning and implementing Storyteller. The purpose of the Capstone course at NDSU is to give students hands-on experience developing software with real businesses. Storyteller is a functional example of what a Capstone group might build. Let's take a look at it in action. This is the board view. It shows all of your project's user stories at once. Stories are categorized into phases. The first category is the MVP, or minimum viable product. The minimum viable product is a collection of stories that define a core product. Categories below the MVP indicate secondary features ordered by release or priority. Stories can be discarded or brought back to the board after being discarded. Double-clicking on a story reveals its full contents. The contents are always in the following format. As a someone, I want feature, so that reason. Storyteller won't let you break this format. Any changes by one developer are seen instantly by anyone else looking at the same board. Once a team is done creating user stories, they need to start breaking stories into tasks. They also need to define what it means for each user story to be complete. This is out of the scope of Storyteller, but other products exist to provide this functionality. Storyteller allows users to export all of their user stories to CSV format to be imported into other programs, like Jira. Part of Storyteller's strategy is user story analysis. Storyteller can look at all your user stories and find duplicate information or overly technical phrases. Take a look at these flags under some user stories on the screen. They represent the potential issues found by the computer. If a flag has been placed on a user story, that is a sign for a developer to take a second look at their content. Value in user story activities come from being able to communicate your intent as a developer to your customer. By reducing redundancy or hard-to-understand language, your plan is easier to understand for the customer. Now that we've covered Storyteller's core features, let's wrap it up. The Capstone course at NDSU is a fantastic opportunity for businesses to have an influence on soon-to-be graduates, as well as an opportunity for students to get first-hand experience developing a real-world application with the help of a professional mentor. Storyteller uniquely turned out to be an in-depth learning experience about user story development, common pitfalls, user story mapping, and other software development activities. You can find the project at github.com/ndsu-cs445-mr/storyteller and the NDSU Computer Science Department homepage at cs.ndsu.edu.
Looks good. Wait, what? No.